Okay, perfect. So we're recording this session so we can understand the whole process of binary with Deriv. So we're going to use some indicators. If you're not using a computer, it may be hard to find. But not to worry, once you plug in on the session, we will provide these indicators. So we have the parabolic, Aaron, alligator, and we also have another parabolic and the moving average. Okay, that moving average is moving average 50. So that means if the candles are above our yellow line, the market is in an uptrend. And if it's below, it is considered to be a downtrend. Okay, it's considered to be a downtrend. So I hope everybody catch that. All right. So, okay, just give me a second. Okay, let's see here. So we have all of that information set up. Once you're satisfied, we're gonna go here. So pretty much our green, red, and blue is the alligator line. The main lines that we're gonna watch is the intersection of the green and the red line. So whenever the green line is moved from the bottom to the top, like an intersection it cut across, this is a perfect entry for a buy, and we can just go 1,000 seconds, right? Now, the idea is that we're not going to stay in this trade 1,000 seconds, but as soon as we're in profit, we're gonna close. So as long as the candles are above our green line, we can always position for a rise. Like what we're seeing, that what is happening now, okay? Now we have a parabolic below, it means that price could continue to push up. So let us just press this trade to go up. Now, how does this work, right? So our entry point, as long as the market goes above our entry point, it is going to consider profit. But if it's below, it's going to consider a loss. Currently, this is how we read into it. Any figure that is right here in red, it means that we're losing. And the figure that is going to be in green means that we're going to be in profit. Okay, so what we can do throughout the day, we can take multiple trades, right? As soon as we are in profit, we can close that trade out until we double the amount of money we started with. So currently, we were in and out of profit. But we got time, we got like 15 minutes. And if this market continues to go up in 15 minutes above our entry, we're gonna make $11, right? Currently we're at 50 cents, 40 cents in profit. Well, let us just close, right? So automatically we close, and now our $6 turn into $6.50. This was just on one trade, $6.50. So what we're gonna do in our trade amount, you're gonna put $6.50, and we're gonna see if we can get a better position in the market. Now the greatest thing with binary option, we have lots of different pairs that we can choose from. Okay, so remember the principle. You look for the cross of our green and red. As long as the candles are continuously above this green line, it is a perfect example to buy, which is a rise. Okay, so now we're gonna see how best we can turn the $6.50 in more profit. Now 1,000 seconds is equivalent to 16 minutes. So basically, if the market goes above our entry and continues to stay above it in 60 minutes, we're going to make $12, right? Notice we're in 78 cents, 99 cents. 68, 65 cents, it's dropping. You notice it's dropping, guys. So some of the times the market does that pullback motion, right? But our aim is to get 100% today. The greatest thing on putting our trades on 1,000 seconds, we have the ability to close and make partial profit. So let us just close. Okay, sometimes we get that notification, right? You would have to press it again for it to close. Now it is too late. So ensure that if we're going to be closing, ensure that we're in profit. Okay, this is going to take some time. It's not quick money we're trying to make, but we're just trying to understand the principle to double our account. Currently, as you're seeing, this trade is going against us because this area with this red line, the flag is showing your entry point. So if the candle starts to form below your entry point, automatically it's going to deduct money out of your account, leaving you with a balance. Now, if say this time's run out and the market continues to stay below your entry, you're going to only lose this amount of money in your account. Okay. So now we're at, remember we started with how much? $6, and now we're at $8, $9, right? And we wanted to make 100% return. So let us just close. Let's press it again. Let's press it again. Okay, we didn't get much profit, but now our $6 that we started out with, it's now at $7.82. Okay, $7.82. So let us just figure out how much percentage that we had grown to. So a scenario how much you can potentially make by following this do our connection. You're going to pick a certain amount of money in your account to start the trade with and double it, right? We're going to do 6 times 20%. It's $1.20. So this would be $7, right? 82 cents. So far, let us just check 30%. $1.80. So far, our $6 that we started out with, we made 30% profit, right? So imagine if we had more money to play with, such as $100 on each trade, $100 times 30% would have easily make a $30. And you can see it wasn't long. We can do this every single day, right? Now, 1,000 seconds is very long. So I'd recommend anywhere from 1,000, from 500 to 1,000 seconds. Let us just, the next trade that we're gonna do, we're gonna put 500 seconds, okay? And we're gonna input the $7.82 on that trade. So we're gonna do 7.82, right? Now, surprisingly, as you can see, if within 500 seconds or 8 minutes, if the market goes in our favor, we're gonna make $15. And remember, our aim today is to make $12 from the 6, okay? Now, based on what is happening right here, the situation is that the candles are still above the green line. We can enter, but we're seeing these information, which are wicks, those white line, those are wicks on the candles, right? If we continue within this trade to anticipate a buy, it could go against us because this area is telling us that it is a selling point. However, it is not that strong because the candles would have to, for example, let's backtrack. Okay, just like what is happening right here, you realize the candles were forming below the green line. So naturally, this went down for quite some time, right? That is the situation that we want to follow. So currently, is getting closer to the green line. And the greatest thing, we have a parabolic signaling that it is going to drop. We'll have one confirmation. If we have the second parabolic above this candle, it is a great signal that it's going to drop. Okay, but this is just a waiting indication for us right now. So let us just watch and see the outcome of this parabolic and see if the candles are going to be dropping below the green line. So this is how the binary trading work. You just, other persons do it other way. I will be sharing all of those strategy, but this is just a simple way to grow your account 100% every day. And as you can see, these candles are not yet ready to go down, especially because you have a situation, one parabolic below, one above. If you have two on the same side, it means that it is going to continue within that direction. All right. Currently, it is still pushing higher, but we're going to switch to another pair. So I'm just sharing the scenarios. Let's go to V25-1S. And that's the greatest thing with binary. We can switch to different pairs. All right, so based on the situation, we miss a perfect trade right here, whereby the candles were below. So I'm sharing it with you guys that it's not that hard to grow your account by 100% every day. You just have to be patient and allow the trade to come to you, such as what is happening right here. We notice we have a green candle pushing up to the green line. If the candle starts to form above our green line, it's a perfect signal for us to open up a buy or press rise, such as what's happening right here. Okay, so we only wanted to make $12 and we're at $7.82. So let's just see how far we're at. 12 minus 7.82. So it means that we only need to make $4.18 to confirm growing our accounts by 100%. As you can see, the candles are slowly pushing up. It's not yet confirmed. So what we do, we're gonna wait. Okay, that's how you be a smart trader and to secure the money that is in your account. You wait until you get the full confirmation that you're working with. Not to worry, if you get the confirmation and the trade goes against you, you will feel much better. All right, so we're waiting. Now, it is slowly going up, but it's not yet confirmed. And how you know? Based on this candle, it opens and closes. It didn't close above the previous candle, so we still have more waiting to do. We have one dot below, so that is a signal for us to wait for this trade to go up. And then in addition to that, we have a parabolic above it. So whenever we see that type of situation, we're just gonna wait because it could signal a trade to go down or it could signal a trade to go up. So if we're gonna press rise, it means the candles are going up. And if we're gonna press fall, it means the candles are gonna drop. Right? So pretty much with doing the binary using Dtrader, you would heavily rely on indicators because that will be saving your day. All right, now we can press rise because we got a situation whereby we got two parabolics below. Okay, so this is going to be 8 minutes, so we got some time to see how much we can turn our $6 into 12. And this is where we're at. $10. So let's just close. All right. Boom. So we closed that trade, guys, successfully. Sometimes you're going to get that error that it's moving too fast for you. We're not staying into the trade the 500 seconds, but the idea is that once we use a longer duration, we will be able to close it out. So remember, we started with $6 and now we're at $10.47. Okay, so let's see how much percentage that we have gained in less than 30 minutes. Okay, so we go 6 times, let's do 80% equal $4.80. And so far, if we add 6 and 4, automatically we get 10, and we are on the verge of this 80%. So this is $10.47. So 80% would have been $10.80. So it is almost quite safe to say we are now at 80% profit in less than 30 minutes. So now we're at $10.47. All we have to do is to put down $10.47. Now, the more that you gain is the more profit is going to roll out, because using this method, it gives us the ability to get 95% return. Okay, that is the beauty about compounding your account. You get the ability to make a 95% return on your trade. Okay, so now what we can do, because we're steadily climbing, okay, we were at 1,000 seconds. Now we at 500. What we can do is to scale it down to 200, okay, because we're getting closer and closer to the target for the day, which is 12, okay. So now we're gonna enter this trade again for a buy, for a rise. Let's go. Okay, now we're gonna close. And boom, we made 100% return on our trade. Just like that, guys. That's $12.28. And we started with $6. Okay, so imagine if I had $100 or $200 just by looking where the candles are, we know exactly the entry that we're going to be taking. And pretty much you can do this over and over every day, 7 days a week. It is not that hard. You just you have to wait on the right entry. And so far, you will need the alligator, okay, and the parabolic to help you. So today we have successfully made 100% return on $6. We blew past it by making 28 cents. So it was like 100 plus percentage that we made today. Okay, so this is what we can do with binary trading, and we're going to be sending out signals pretty soon for sure for those who want to start off with binary trading. And as you can see, our balance up here has now increased. Pretty awesome, right? So imagine we can do this every day, you know, making $12 every day. Let's go back to our calculator. All right, so boom, we satisfy meeting the target for the day within the slated time. So let me just go to the calculator real quick. So if we can make $12 every day for 7 days, that's gonna equivalent to $84. So I mean, if we can make up to $80 every week with just doing this in say 45 minutes or 30 to 45 minutes of your day, I think that is a good side hustle or an income that we can use to leverage against what our 9 to 5 or any other job that is actually paying us. Okay, so today we made 100% return as expected. All right, so I'm just sharing the possibility. So imagine if we had more money to use, the profits would have been even more, way more. Okay, so going forward, we're gonna ensure that we wait and execute based on where the market is going. So this was a live performance that was showing. Now what you can do as well to see the outcome of your overall performance, you can click on reports, and then you're gonna go to profit table. So the profit table will show you have an idea of how much money you have made for today. And as you can see, this is $9.99, right? $9.99, and that is just for today. So let's go to reports. So just for today, we have made a total of $9.99. Obviously, we had some losses, but if we can make this much, this is in US dollars, but today performance was just showing you that we can even start small and we can make this every day, every week, every month. Okay. So I'm going to be sharing this recording for those who are not able to get into the meeting so that we can always be engaged. So stay tuned for the other classes that we're going to have. It's going to be very, very informative. So any questions or concerns, just write them down so that we can help you to reach to financial success. Okay. I just want to thank everyone who was able to participate today on the class. I hope this recording is very informative for you to grow your account. Thank you.